Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best boys' Clarks boots on the market. The Clarks Men's Shacre Boot Ankle, a stylish and comfortable chukka boot that blends classic design with modern comfort technology. From the moment you look at these boots, you notice the timeless silhouette inspired by the iconic Clarks Wallaby boot. The Shacre boot takes that familiar style and updates it with contemporary features to make it ideal for everyday wear. The sleek ankle height makes it versatile for various outfits, whether you're dressing up or going casual. One of the standout aspects of this boot is its material and build quality. The leather upper, available in a rich black beeswax finish, has a smooth yet durable texture that promises long-lasting wear. Unlike traditional crepe soles, the Shacre boot features a crepe-textured rubber wedge outsole. This sole not only adds a fresh aesthetic but also offers enhanced durability and keeps cleaner over time. Comfort is a major focus here. Clarks has integrated EVA coring into the outsole, which means these boots have lightweight flexibility that reduces foot fatigue. Inside, the construction includes extreme comfort eco-mock design and an EVA molded heel cup that cushions your foot and provides support for all-day wear. This thoughtful engineering makes the boots feel almost like a glove, fitting snugly without sacrificing comfort. The lacing system is practical, with laces concentrated near the top to provide a secure fit around the ankle. This helps prevent heel slippage while walking, which is a common issue with many boots. Despite this secure fit, the boots maintain enough room around the arch and toe area to accommodate natural foot movement, making them ideal for active days. Measuring approximately 12.63 inches around the shaft circumference and sitting right at the ankle height, these boots strike a perfect balance between protection and breathability. The rubber sole also provides good traction, so you can count on stable footing in a variety of conditions. In terms of weight, the boots are reasonably light at about 2.31 pounds, which is impressive for a durable leather boot with a rubber sole. This means they won't weigh down the feet, an important consideration for comfort during extended use. Another interesting point is the sustainable aspect of these boots. The leather used comes from a Leather Working Group certified tannery, ensuring more responsible and environmentally conscious leather production. This certification adds a layer of confidence for shoppers looking for ethical footwear options. Whether you're looking for a boot that can handle casual outings, office wear, or even light outdoor adventures, the Clarks Shacre boot is engineered to meet those needs. Its blend of style, comfort, durability, and sustainability make it an excellent choice and justify its standing as a top seller in men's chukka boots. To sum it up, the Clarks Men's Shacre Boot Ankle combines the best of traditional craftsmanship with modern materials and comfort technology. It's a boot designed not just to look good but to perform well throughout your day, giving you the kind of support and style you can rely on season after season. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the best boys' Clarks boots, make sure to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews. See you next time.